So now we're going to do this as he's explained, but it's in the script, so I'm going to do it again. Handed guide to insincere compliments when going backstage to see the actor. And we, as bosom buddies, you're going to take a lot of pictures while we're doing this. I cannot go in my stomach and do this at the same time. That's why I'm the voiceover.
Darling, you are not to be believed.
Number 2, my dear, now that was a performance.
You know, there's absolutely nothing else like this on Broadway.
I've seen a lot of plays in my time, but this,
Words can't tell you what I think.
Well, I'll tell you this, dear. You looked wonderful.
You can't imagine how I felt when you walked on stage.
Well, I couldn't wait for the play to finish so I could tell you what I really thought. That's it. I'm used to doing much of the same. I was going to do a tad version of Maine, but I thought, what?